What's happening? You getting that box done now? Oh, you put something in your box. That's cool. Octopus is in your box? Is he? What's he doing over there? Did you put octopus in there? As usual, the box that the snuffle mat came in is by far, well, not maybe by far, that was a pretty popular one, actually, comparatively speaking. But this is definitely one of the favorite things, is the, look at the dog in jail. Oh, look at the dog in jail. Oh my goodness, poor puppy. Now what are you eating? Paper, yeah. Yeah, paper's good. Paper towel rolls are excellent. Excellent. We love those. Go get your box. Get in the box. Go on. What is the dog doing? Oh, is you sad? You finished your snuffle mat now. You got all the food out of it, now it's empty. Oh, sad dog. Come on. What's happening to your box? Come on, what's happening in the box? What's he doing in there? What else have you got in there? Oh, mostly just paper. What's he doing in there? What's he doing in your box? Octopus. Huh? What is he doing in your box? Wow. We love Octo. We love Octo. Yes, we do. Okay, let Octo go in the box again. Pull the Octo. Pull the Octo. Pull the Octo. All right. So you're not playing in the box. You've ripped enough off that you're quite comfortable. All right. I'll leave you with Octo. We'll see you later.